Next up, Seeker of Change for Lab Rat. In this, we need to retrieve usable samples from the barracks and report back to Lab Rat. For this mission, you will need to bring yourself a sample kit, which you should receive in a message. Otherwise, you can purchase one from Lab Rat should you happen to lose it. You'll need to bring this all the way to Fort Nereith in the southwest side of the map, all the way to the northern barracks over here in 132, 141, pretty much exactly where I am here. You'll need to find your way through thousands of sparsely placed AI that are all very angry and very heavily kitted. Then you'll be entering on the southern side, so this door over here, pretty much where I am. And inside of here, you'll be heading across to the room with the gurney sitting outside of it, so C110. And inside of here, you'll find a bloodied bed. Simply hit F here, and you'll use the sample kit, pretty much completing this mission. That's it. Once you've collected the samples, you'll be able to return back to base, hand in the mission, and collect your rewards. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.